So in this video today, I want to talk about how to get color, how to get the correct color combination, how I get my correct color combinations using Canva. Now, Canva has several ways of getting colors, and for me, I have a standard way of getting my own colors for my book covers. So in order to get colors for your book covers, all you have to do is go, let me get a new template. Now I'll click on this add. So I'll click on add. As you can see, this is one of the colors. So what I do for my colors, that I make sure the background is dark. Make sure the background has a dark color. For example, this was extracted from red. I just made it dark red and then became somehow brown. And this kind of color actually brings out, when you use white on this kind of color, that brings out all the, like, the classiness of the color comes out. Now, let me show you how you can get these colors. So first of all, you come and you click on this background. Yes, you make sure you're here. After that, you go here and click on this background color, where the same background color. So you click on this. Now from here, you're going to be seeing all these colors. You can see all these colors. So you can try out. You'll be trying and you see these ones are, so this is also okay. You can try this. You will see that these ones are all fine. These are all colors you can use. Yes. But now me, what I do, I come here, you see where there's plus. Yes, I click on this plus. This is where you can get all the other colors which are here. So you click on this plus. Now from here, it will bring for you this thing. Now from here, all you have to do is move this cursor, move this thing. See this thing? You can move this thing. So if I keep on moving this thing, you can see that the color is changing. Now there is the upper part is bright colors, the lower part is dark colors. So I keep it in the middle here, around here, in the dark area of the dark colors. And then if I want different color, for example, if I want red, all I have to do is hold on this one and I move it. Yes, to the extreme where there's red. Now you can see the colors change. I can use this for my background. Now if I want dark blue, all I have to just move it. You can see that the color is changing. So I make sure this thing is around here and then I keep on moving this. That's where the color is changing. Now that is a blue. Then you can move it. That's navy blue, complete navy blue. You can keep on moving. You can see that it's turning green. This is very good for background color. You can see that it's turning green, then it's turning somehow yellow, somehow red, and then that almost red. So if I keep on moving it, you'll see that the colors keep on changing. So I always like using dark background color for my background. This is how you can get your color and how you can mix colors for your background. The next way for you to get good colors is to use color codes. Yes, color codes. Maybe ask me what is color codes. You see this thing here? These are the color codes. Now if I tap here, you'll see that it has been highlighted. If I leave, it has been unhighlighted. If I tap again, it has been highlighted. That means I can change this. So I can actually remove it. You see that removing it is changing the color. So all I have to do is come to Google here and type color combination with codes. So I've typed color combination with codes. After that, I scroll through and I've seen this other website. It says 26 best color combinations for your next design 2023. So I've clicked and I've opened it here. Now, if I scroll through, I'll scroll through and try to find the color codes, find the colors with their color codes. Now, you can see this is called royal blue and fish. So trending. So it's a trending color. And when you check down, you'll see that hex codes. So these are the codes. Now, if I copy this code, I click on this and I copy this code. I click and I copy, and then I come to Canva and I paste it. You'll see what will happen. So if I paste that code here, I paste it, you see that the code has, the color has come here the way I want it. Now I can play with this color around. I can try to make it dark, I can make it the way I want, or I can leave it the way it is, or I can change it the way I want. So I just be playing around with color here. Now I can come back. Let's try another color. Let's say we want this one. So just copy this code, click, copy code, bring it to Canva. Bring it here, highlight and paste. Now you can see the color has changed. So let's see. So this is the color and then this is the one. So we are picking color from the internet and using it here. So you can get color from the internet and use in Canva. And that is also allowed. The third way for you to get colors in Canva is to use, to steal from other people's work, to get from other people's designs. So for example, I've typed here color, I've typed inside here, I've typed book covers on Google, and I'll go to the side where you see images. I'll click here to go to the image sites. Now you can see I have almost all images. Let's say I want to copy the color of this one. So I'll double tap here. After double tapping, and then I'll click and copy this. I'll copy it, copy the image, come to Canva, and I tap here and I click Ctrl V. Ctrl V should paste it. As you can see, it has pasted it. Now, after it has pasted it here, first of all, Canva will bring for you all the colors you want. Yes. So after it has brought it for you here, Canva will first bring for you. If you click here, you can see that all the colors on this thing are here. See this image? That means all these are the colors which appeared on this image. So if I click here, you can see that it has come. If I click, that's that it has come. So if I want to work with this image, all I have to do is come here and I click here, click on this, click on the colors, and these are the colors of the image. So if I click here, you'll see that the colors appeared here. So I can click on this to copy its code. Its code is 2D3A45. So I click copy and I copy it. Then I come up here, I tap here, I click on this plus, then I paste it here. So if I paste there, you can see that the color of this has changed. Now I can start working on this. So every time I need a color, all I have to is come here and copy from this. So I'll just come here, I click here. Maybe let me say I want this orange. So I come and click here, click on this, click here. You see the orange color is here. So if I click on it, you can see that it has changed here. That means the color code is ready. So I'll click here, pick the color code, which is here, copy, and then I come back to my design, which is this one. I want to apply it here. So I click on this, then I click up here, click on this, and I paste it. You can see that I've got. So that's how you can steal colors from other people's designs from outside Canva and come and use it inside Canva. You can also use color from this design without actually copying the code. So all you have to do is, maybe let me say I want to use it on this one. So I'll have to tap here. Let's say I want to use the color here. I want to use this color on this design. So I click here and I go to background, color. After this, I click on this. You come and click on this color wheel thing. Click on it. After that, you're going to be seeing a pen here. So if I click on this pen, so first of all, I want to copy color from here to my design. So you see this pen, if I click on this pen, you can see that the cursor has changed. So I can move. You see that if I move here, you can see that this thing has come. So if I click, you'll see that the color here has changed. Yes, so that means I've taken color from this area. Let's say I want to pick this blue only. So all I have to do is pick this pen, come to the blue, click on it, and you can see that the blue has come. So you can pick color from any image or any object inside Canva. So let's say that is the other way to get colors. So this is another trick that I always use to get colors. So all I have to do is come here and scroll through. This is pixels inside Canva. So I click here. Maybe if I want a travel guide, maybe Paris. Let's say I'm making a travel guide for Paris. So I'll type here Paris and I click enter. Then images will appear. Now, let's say I want to use this color, this dark color in the background. So I'll click on this image. The image will arrive here. Now I want to use it on this. So I'll click on this and I click on this. And then first of all, I come here, I click on this, and then I pick this pen. So after picking this pen, then I come here on this image, I click because that the color has changed up here. So let's say I want to use this golden. So I'll come here and click on gold so that the color has changed. Let's say I want to use any other thing. So you can get colors from here. So let me say I want to use this one. So I click on this. Then go ahead, click on this, click on this, click on this, pick the pen. After that, after getting the pen, then let's wait. First get the pen. After getting the pen, then you come and you pick the color from this design. So you can see that now I have color here. So that's how you get colors from Canva. So there are very many other ways to get colors. If you know more, you can tell me in the description and I'll look into it. But these are the ones I use so far to get my colors. Now, what you should keep in mind is that I always use my background color to be dark and the text to be light. So I keep the background colors to be dark and the text to be light. For example, see this one of yoga. So the background color is dark and the text is white, and that can bring it out. So I'm trying to find an image which can fit here, and by the end of it, this cover will be good to go. So if you always make your back cover, your background color to be dark and the front color to be somehow light, then you're going to make a good book cover. And that is the video for today. So if you like this kind of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button,